heading to Cuba.
We are.
Gonna be a week in the sun, leaving the slushy snow behind. You excited?
No. Yeah, obviously. Get me to the beach, get me a mojito, give me a bottle of rum. Kids are coming though.
Yeah.
Trip to Cuba, and me and Dad were having it was so fun. We're so excited to go to the beach today and check out the pool and
Oh, well, Tilly, what happened to your eye right here?
oh, it's just that at the airport at Burnaby, I just crashed into a car and it started to really get hurt.
Yeah, we were running, getting in our training miles.
Yeah, but then I accidentally walked it and it really hurt. Look at it. It's turning.
Ouch.
It's turning purple.
Ouch. We just arrived in Cuba. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Are you pretty happy to be here?
Yappy.
How's it feeling? Yeah, we're just gonna get checked into our hotel, go get some food, check out our room. Are you excited for tomorrow morning to check out the beach and the pool? Oh yeah. Oh, around 7:30 a.m. Just came out to the beach. First time seeing it. Pretty incredible. Pretty much couldn't be any better than that. Now I think I'm gonna go run for a bit. I just ran an easy 6K along the beach. My toes are feeling totally sandblasted. I think I maybe should have took it a little easier for my first sand barefoot run. Yeah, I hope I didn't screw myself for running for the rest of the week because it hurts. Now, I can't remember where I put my shoes. I stashed them up under one of these cabanas and I can't remember which one. I'm not even sure where my resort is. They all look the same. So yeah, that's fun. Whew. Found my shoes. Somebody had graciously removed them from my hiding spot and put them out onto the beach, so at least they were easy to find that way. That was a pretty incredible run for my first morning here. Whew. Like, oh my God. Can't wait to show the kids. They're gonna freak out. Whew. Back from the run.
Yep.
Just had breakfast.
Yep.
Now we're gonna head to the beach and have some fun.
Yes.
Look at these poor feet. Oh, they don't even look that bad. They hurt. I ruined them barefoot running on the sand.
No.
I know. I don't know if I'll be able to run for the rest of the trip. I'm limping around.
No.
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de Cuba, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cuba y Alto, y lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! ¡Sí! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba está presente, aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza, mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, bomba.
Sun's just coming up. It's already so muggy. I'm gonna be drenched in no time. Not even 2 kilometers in. Oh, beautiful. Just made it to the eastern tip of the island. Whew. So beautiful. All right, turned around now. Gonna head back through that little trail run, back onto the road. I'm at just over 8K, so I'll make for a 16-kilometer day. In this humidity, that's pretty damn good. All right. 4 here in Cuba. It's just before dinner time now, and we had a pretty mellow day today. I ran a pretty tough 5K this morning. It's mostly tough just because I was running into the wind the whole time, and it was sand, so that's rough. But then the rest of the day we just kind of hung out. It's really windy down at the beach, so we pretty much just hung out by the pool. It was a real nice day anyway, though. The pool's pretty beautiful here, so can't complain. And now we're just winding down, having some quiet time back at the room, and gonna get ready for dinner pretty soon. Hopefully this evening, kids are gonna check out a little magic show.
They're all shaking their heads.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí va allá. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Another perfect morning, running on the beach. This might be the best one yet. Got up just before sunrise, so getting to see this. Beach all to myself, just me and the birds and a few locals. Sand super smooth. The wind has calmed right down this morning, so hopefully we'll have a fun day playing in the water with the kids again. Look at these pelicans.
Today I'm gonna show you my guitar, and I'm gonna teach you how to play guitar.
Okay.
Yes, he is,
First-
indeed.
First, I'm gonna show my guitar to you. This is my guitar. It's designed with a blue butterfly, and it has some orange, blue, purple, and pink flowers on it. You can make all sorts of tunes, and that's how you guitar with a guitar.
I really hope you enjoyed this little family travel trip to Cuba. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to see more stuff like this or any of my other videos. I really hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Peace.